In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do high knee marches. So high knee marches is a fantastic exercise for those looking for a low impact alternative to traditional high knees. So the high knee exercise, you may have seen it before, is this. High knee marches is your low impact alternative to that, so it's your regression. So all you're going to do for high knee marches is you're going to stand up straight, feet pointing forwards. From here, my feet are at hip width apart. I'm going to be working my hip flexor muscles as I bring my knee up, and as I bring my knee up, I'm then going to assist the movement with my hand. So the hand is optional. You can do it without, so you can just do normal high knee marches. But for those that are looking to get the full range of motion, that maybe struggle at a certain point, the hand's then there as an option to create full range of motion. You can do that for your desired sets and repetitions or seconds, and that is how to do high knee marches.